Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A9 Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up by clicking on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Following that, tap on Close in white pop-up at the top, and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung tablet. So sorry, misclick. After selecting Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung tablet, hit Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a couple of times and then access your files. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my selected files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!